Thanks for clicking on this video. In today's video, from the title of this video, it says Koki beans. So I'm going to be giving you all the tips and showing you the perfect way on how to make Koki beans. So stay tuned and enjoy. So for this recipe, we're going to be needing some black eyed peas beans, but this is the peeled beans, or Moin Moin beans as they call it. I got this from an African store, and what I'm doing now, I'm just soaking it in water. That way it softens it. That way when I'm blending it in my blender, it's easier for it to blend with no problems. So this is how it looks after you've washed and peeled and taken out the dirt and it's been softened. So I blended a bunch of it off camera, and I'm just going to be showing you guys again how I do it. Of course, you're going to need some onions, some spinach leaves. It's optional if you want it, but I love the veggies in it. And I'm going to be adding some salt. You guys already know for taste. Palm oil. Pepper. I didn't have any fresh pepper at home, so I decided to use ground pepper. So put everything in the blender, cover it up, add a little bit of water, and just mix everything together and blend it. The way you blend it doesn't matter, like what you put in it first doesn't matter. Just make sure you put all what you want in it, everything you see here. So guys, when I mean everything, I don't mean include the spinach. So everything is the beans, the onions, and the habanero pepper, or any pepper, or you can skip the pepper if you don't like spicy. So this is how it looks after I've blended everything, and I've added some more salt to it and just mixing everything up nicely. In a separate pan, warm up a little bit of your oil. Koki beans is prepared by steaming, and because I don't have a steamer pot yet, I'm going to be putting a little bit of water and using my aluminum foil to cover the water up. So with my hand whisk, I'm just whisking my Koki beans. You're supposed to whisk it in one direction, but you know, someone's hands were paining, so I had to just do it anyhow. But just incorporate air into your Koki beans and make sure it's fluffy and smooth. After that, add some palm oil and mix it up nicely. So that's how it looks after it's been mixed up. Add your spinach into the Koki beans mixture and mix it well. And then we're going to go to the fun part, tying it up. So I'm using an aluminum foil and a cookie baking sheet to tie my Koki beans. Usually we use banana leaves, but because I didn't have any, I'm just gonna use this, and it's gonna come out perfectly well as well. So make sure to secure your Koki beans very well by doubling the aluminum foil outside to secure it. That way there's no leakage, nothing. So that's just what I'm doing here, and that's it. Once you're done wrapping it up, place your Koki beans on your aluminum foil in the water and repeat the whole process again. One more time for you guys, then I'll do the rest off camera. Everything looks perfectly wrapped up right now. I'm just going to be adding, or I would recommend adding water, bits of water as you go, because you don't want to put so much water and let your water touch your food. You don't want to do that. So add bits of water as you go. Make sure you cover it in aluminum foil, and then put your lid over it and let it steam. So my food has been steaming for an hour 20 minutes, and it's ready right now. So let's dig in. Everything came out perfectly well. Look at that. Look at that beauty. This was perfect. It tasted amazing. If you've watched till the end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And please, if you've watched, please subscribe to my channel. That just helps me know or motivates me to keep uploading more content. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try it out and let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, loves.